Like the scent of fresh baked pastry? Let's explore this French recipe together.
Hi everyone, I'm Joanne, the executive chef of Sub-Zero Wolf. First of all, I'd like to wish everyone a happy new year to 2021. Today I'll be showing everyone how to make a classic Pear Tarte Tatin that pairs perfectly well with Mumm champagne.
First, let's treat yourself and friends to a striking bottle of Mumm Grand Cordon. Let's get started with the dough. Whisk together the flour and salt in a large bowl. Add the butter and knead into the flour. Slowly add ice water into the mixture to bring the dough together. Turn the mixture onto a floured surface and gently knead the dough, pushing it into a flat 8-inch block. Roll the dough into a rectangle. Then laminate the dough by folding it 6 times before wrapping and chilling it until ready for use. Handling the pear is easy. Peel and core the pears, cut lengthwise into halves or quarters and set aside. We're ready to cook the pears. Add granulated sugar and water into a preheated skillet. Cook until the sugar is caramelized and bubbling, then add the butter. Fit all the sliced pears into the skillet. Cook the pears in the caramel briefly until the mixture develops a medium to deep golden hue. Set the skillet aside for a few minutes to cool. Lastly, take half of the dough from the fridge and roll into a circle the size of the skillet. Lay it over the cooked pears, tucking the edge into the pan, and place the skillet into a preheated oven set at 190 degrees Celsius. The complex aromas of fresh fruit, vanilla, and caramel in Mumm champagne is the perfect palate to this rich pear tart. Bake until the pie crust has turned golden brown. Run a knife along the edge of the skillet to loosen the pie crust. Place a platter over the skillet and invert the skillet, lifting carefully to reveal the Pear Tarte Tatin onto the platter. Et voila! A beautiful Pear Tarte Tatin. Let's celebrate this new year with a sweet start and Mumm champagne.